Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to insert SIM card in Vivo T1 Pro smartphone. Before we start the video, I request you to subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. In the Vivo T1 Pro, the SIM tray is located at the bottom side. So this one is a SIM tray. You need to insert the SIM ejector tool into this hole. Insert like this. Then you need to take out the SIM tray. In the Vivo T1 Pro, there are two SIM cards ports available. So the second SIM have the dummy SIM card. You need to take this out if you want to insert the two SIM cards at a time. So first I insert the first SIM card in the first SIM tray. So you need to face the SIM card by the top golden side like this. So after inserting, you need to insert this setup into the phone like this. Now the SIM tray is inserted successfully. You can see the network is come. You can see the message being coming from the operator also. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up. See you next video. Bye bye.